The natural nails are prepped and ready for application, and we're going to use the Artistic Nail Design Nail Surface Cleanser to clean and help to dehydrate the surface of the nail before we apply any product. Make sure you give a really good scrub on a lint-free wipe and don't forget the very tip of the nail. You can see that just dehydrate there and come up a little bit cloudy white. Now we're going to take the Artistic pH Nail Prep. This is your dehydrator and primer in one. I'm going to apply a little bit of that to the nail plate. Next we're applying a thin base coat using the Artistic Bonding Gloss. This comes from the Artistic Colour Gloss system. A nice thin even layer. Make sure you just seal the very free edge of the nail and remove any excess, and this cures in your LED lamp for just 5 seconds. Now we're going on with the Pink Concealer Brush On Correction Gel. So we're going to apply a little bead of product into the apex area of the nail. And as we work this around the nail, we're going to concentrate on keeping the weight in this area. So we get a nice, smooth finish and we're building up a little bit of strength. Just guide the product over the rest of the nail and again, just seal the very free edge. Pop this into your lamp for 30 seconds. Now we're going to apply a second layer in exactly the same way. The bulk of the product is going to sit in the apex area, and then tease the product around using your brush and create a nice smooth finish. Seal the tip of the nail, and then we're going to cure again for 30 seconds in the LED lamp. Once you're happy with the finish, you can now continue on with a gel polish colour, or if you're keeping the nails just in the pink concealer colour, we're going to go straight on with our glossing gel top coat. So this is the Artistic Colour Gloss System top coat. Nice, thin, even layer. Always remembering to just gently seal the tip of the nail, remove any excess, and cure again for 30 seconds. We're going back in with the nail surface cleanser and we're going to remove the tacky finishing layer. And now we're going to rehydrate the surrounding skin and cuticle with the Revive Cuticle Oil. Okay, so now we're going to look at removal. We're going to use the 150 grit Artistic Correct file, and we're going to remove all of the top coat and just break into the correction gel. We're removing probably about 30–40% of the gel with the file. These files have got a really good surface area, so as you work across the nail, it's hitting every area of the nail, making it nice and quick to file. Remove the dust, and then we're taking the nail product remover from Artistic Nail Design. We're going to pop some onto the cotton pad with the wrap and wrap this really securely around the nail. Make sure your cotton pad completely covers the gel. Bring your foil under the nail. Seal it together nice and tight, wrap around and make sure it's pressed right down to the free edge. We're going to leave this nail wrapped up for 10 minutes. So after the 10 minutes, we're going to remove the foil wrap. And as you can see, most of the gel has soaked off and it's removed inside the foil wrap. We're just going to use an orange wood stick gently with a little bit of pressure to remove the remaining gel on the nail. and it just pops right off. That's it, nice and clean. We're going to take the Artistic 240-280 Perfect Buffer and gently just buff over the surface of the nail to remove any last bits of residue and to make sure the nail's nice and smooth to finish. You can see there's very little dehydration on the skin or the nail plate from the remover. It's full of lovely oils to keep the skin and nail conditioned. However, we're still going to finish with the Revive Cuticle Oil just to complete your removal. I'm going to rub that into the nail and the surrounding skin. And as you can see, there's no damage, the product's removed really easily, and the nails are good to go.